Do you hear me? Hello. Oh yes, that seems cool. Let's get rid of these. Just chill here. Yep. Okay, let's do this. So I'm sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos. It's been really busy here. So yeah. So I'm going to. Yes, you're probably thinking about killing me right here, right now. But I'm gonna play some more Happy Wheels. Yes, I am. I'm sorry, but yeah. So anyway, hope you learned something. So why don't you tell me how you've been doing? Go ahead, I ain't going anywhere. Wow, that's great success, really. I'm not kidding. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, time. It's 12:12. That's right. There's a fat lady. Wait, and just... Come on. Jesus Christ. There we go, the volume's a little bit down now. Dead Zone. Yeah, let's try that. Actually, you're better. I don't trust you. Oh, why should I trust you? Whoa. Whoa, are you trying to kill me? What? Whoa, I survived? I'm a lord. Nothing can kill me. Oh shit. That could. It actually could kill me a little bit. Say YOLO. YOLO. YOLO, what the hell is this supposed to do? YOLO. YOLO. YOLO! Oh yay! Yay. My heart will go on. I don't remember the lyrics. But I made it. Not alive, but car course. Race. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Well, that's fucked. Come on. Please be nice to me. What's at home? Home? Oh, this is home. I am home. Do there are more games here? Diving intervention. Let's try that. Is that a Pope? Was that the Pope? The Pope's gone crazy. Leave me alone, game. The game. Diving. Interaction. So he's praying to the Lord. Oh Lord above, the city is terminal, for evil has risen, Lucifer gates. Isn't Lucifer the kid of Satan or some shit like that? Whoa, he's handsome. Who's that? Call me. Really? Oh, okay, he's pissed now. He's pissed off. Is he gonna smash me with a Bible just because I said he's hot? Whoa, that's a gun. Dude. Dude, chill. Oh, yeah, sorry. Options. Yes, are all guns at start? No, of course not. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa! Shit. What the? Die. Jesus. Is this supposed to be possible? No, die. Come on. I dare you. You're kidding me. Right? Game over. Wow. Oh, let's see how it is. All guns at start. What's that like? No, I don't need that. Wait. Oh yeah, bring it on, sucker. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. I shot your ass. I shoot. Whoa, he's strong. Thank you. But I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the shotgun. No. Okay. No demons allowed in here. No! Oh wow, he's strong. Ew, bully. Oh, the dog farted. Oh, that's hold on, I think I need to go outside. Come out. Oops. Wait, oops. Wait. Oops. Are you kidding me? Just that? Out. Wait. Oops. No, okay. Apparently he's not in the mood to go outside. To go outside. He's not in the mood to go outside. What? What? Hell no, I can't do it. It's just a... Are you kidding me? Happy was way much more fun. At least you can succeed at it. Prose levels. Meat. Well, that's... I like this, Dad. Well, nobody cares what you like, son. We won, that's all that matters. Don't move. What's up with the don't move maps? Okay. Well, oh. Whee! I died. What? I don't think this is supposed to happen. That don't move sucked. Annoying son. Put your pants on, Dad. I don't need any pants. Fire! Fire! No! Watch your annoying son until he gets shot by Pooh. Yay! What is the meaning of this? I don't understand this. What in the world am I supposed to do in here? No way you ain't gonna kill my son. No. Make it away. No. No. Oh, my son survived. That's good. My son survived. Well, I believe that is victory. Lil Poco Curse. Let's place. Oh, I get it. Seems legit. Miley Cyrus. This is Miley Cyrus, the fat girl. You came in like a wrecking ball. Well, they changed the lyrics. You know, I hate putting up with this shit. Get the girl. Come on. Yes! I can do this. Okay, now. Move. Move your ass. Move your fat fake twerking ass. I did it! I did it. That's right, I did it. Oh, wait. Yes, so let's do it a little bit more. Just a little bit, a little bit more. This is not hard. Okay, I believe you. Am I going to dance? Yes, you are. Yes, you are going to dance. You're going to make me some money. Actually, I don't think this is. Oh, wow. Ready. Okay, he's dead. Right away. Dead again. Let's try Santa. You fly. Come on. Don't run into that. You'll get cancer. Okay, yes. Much easier. Yes. Go, Elves. I believe in you. You really do? No, I don't. I just really want to get them kids presents. Wait, aren't you supposed to be the one to give them the presents? Yes, I am, but shut up. Oh, I died just because of you. Epic heart donation. I'm not gonna give you my heart. And my heart will go on forever. My heart will go on forever. I like this at all. Shit. Well, the heart's gonna be a little beaten up, sir, but it will do just fine. You might have a slight heart attack from time to time. Mommy, I have your heart. Yeah, as I said, you might have a little heart attack from time to time, but that's perfectly normal. That's supposed to happen. Stay with me, honey. Well, this is going to be in your feet, so do not go to any football, because then you'll just like, the heart will just like blow. Woo! Daddy, I love this! Well, I hope you're happy, son. But wait. Daddy! Go, son. Daddy, you're killing me. I know. Go Man TV versus Topi. I actually like Topescus way more than whoever Go Man TV. Bless me. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you learned something in class today, students.